This is the installation guide of DAE Cloud Metering System for water. Step 1. Connect 9 to 15V power supply to the power port of AMR. Step 2. Connect the red wire of pulse cable of first water meter to first pulse output port of AMR. Step 3. Connect the black wire of pulse cable of first water meter to C pulse output port of AMR. C means COM for all the minus wires. Step 4. Repeat step 2 and 3 to the rest of 15 water meters. Step 5. Connect RS485 plus port of AMR to RS485-1 plus port of CC2030 gateway. Connect RS485 minus port of AMR to RS485-1 minus port of CC2030 gateway. Step 6. Connect Cat5e cable to Ethernet port of CC2030 gateway from router. Step 7. Connect power supply to AC/DC 9 to 24V port of CC2030 gateway. If the second AMR or AMR 130 is added to the system, connect RS485 plus port of first AMR 130 or AMR to RS485 plus port of the second AMR or AMR 130. Connect RS485 minus port of first AMR 130 or AMR to RS485 minus port of the second AMR or AMR 130. This is the end of the installation guide. If you have any questions, please contact us at info@daecontrols.com or refer to our website www.daecontrols.com or call us at 248-635-3708.